Friendlies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you a 3-step skincare routine for acne prone skin. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And if you're a beginner out there looking to start skincare but don't know where to look, I got you. Alright y'all, let's get started. So this skincare routine consists of 3 steps. Number 1, cleansing. Number 2, treatments. And number 3, moisturizing. So let's start off with step 1 of your skincare routine. So I have tried a lot of great cleansers out there, but when it comes to acne prone skin, I would say I have 2 favorites. So the first one I would recommend is this. It is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. So you can find this guy at Walmart and just about any other place that sells skincare. But the good thing about Walmart is they offer a dupe that is slightly cheaper but works just as well. So what I like about this one is it foams really nicely and it removes makeup very, very well. But it's also gentle enough to where it doesn't make your skin feel tight or dry or dehydrated. Another one that I really like but I don't have with me because I ran out is the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser. So what I love about this cleanser is it removes makeup great, just like the Foaming Facial Cleanser, but it also contains a chemical exfoliant called salicylic acid, which is an amazing ingredient for acne prone skin. So you're getting that gentle cleansing without drying out your skin, but you're also getting a little bit of exfoliation too. So on to the next step, which is treatments. A really good treatment that I love is a retinoid. So CeraVe actually came out with a new retinoid recently. So it is called the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. And whenever I use a retinoid, I usually use it at night, because if you do use it in the morning, always be sure to wear sunscreen. Also, when using treatment options, be sure to give your skin time to adjust to it. Now on to step 3, which is moisturizers. Now it is very important, even if you have acne prone skin, to moisturize. So I have 2 moisturizers that I really love, and the first one is, you guessed it, CeraVe. The CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, and this one is PM. Now what I love about this moisturizer is it isn't super oily, it isn't heavy, it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy, it absorbs very quickly in the skin, and it has a lot of great ingredients. Another one that I really like but I don't have with me is the Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer. And both of these are available at Walmart, and I think they do offer dupes for these as well if you want to save a little bit of money. So there you have it. That is the quick, easy, and affordable skincare routine for acne prone skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And if you know of anyone that has acne prone skin and is trying to find good products, send them this video. They might enjoy it. Alright y'all, I will see you in my next video. Stay safe out there.